on the Electrical Safety Workshop 2022. I've got some information in the notes, either down below, up above, to the left or right, depending upon which platform that you're watching this on. A couple items I just want to make sure you're aware. Registration is open. You can please go out to the Electrical Safety Workshop website, register for this year's Electrical Safety Workshop. It will be in person. We also have the ability for you to purchase I'm not calling it a virtual. I can't call it a virtual. I got virtual on the brain. It's a video recording. So what we're going to do this year is, after the fact, you can watch videos of the various presentations. So we're going to record the in-person sessions, and then the week following, our audio video team will be placing those resources online for those who have purchased the online version of the event, the video version, recorded video version of the event. In person is always going to be better. You'll have an opportunity to engage with the author, ask question, or authors. Many of these papers have multiple authors. So I encourage you to seriously consider joining us in Jacksonville, Florida on March 7th through 11th this year for the Electrical Safety Workshop. If you go to electricalsafetyworkshop.com, www.electricalsafetyworkshop.com, electricalsafetyworkshop.com, and I am going to put that in the chat here. Okay, if you go to that website, you will have access to take a look at what the program is all about, what some of the titles of our sessions are. We have some tutorials that will be going on. We have the program out there. We have the ability for you to become a supporter. We have the ability for you to purchase a booth. If you're an organization that makes electrical safety products, you're going to want to have a booth at the Electrical Safety Workshop. The attendees at this workshop are some of the largest corporations, petrochem facilities, and heavy industrials, other manufacturers. We engage and discuss practices around electrical safety. We'll talk about the NFPA 70E. We'll talk about arc flash, incident energy, shock, AC, DC. All of the information that you will find interesting and important from a safety perspective for your facility and your applications. The other opportunity that an in-person event has, I can't say enough about those coffee breaks in the back of the room, because that's where a lot of dialogue occurs. That's where we establish relationships as electrical engineers, as mechanical engineers, as electrical contractors, electricians, as inspectors, as industry professionals interested in electrical safety. We talk to each other about electrical safety. We share our experiences. We share our knowledge. And you can do that at the Electrical Safety Workshop. Please drop out to the Electrical Safety Workshop's website right here at electricalsafetyworkshop.com. As I said, we have our mission statement, our organizing committee. So if you have any questions around the program, you can contact the organizing committee. We have our future conference dates, our affiliated conferences, photos from past meetings, and participate. If you want to be an author at next year's, you can submit an idea for a paper or a presentation for the next IEEE Electrical Safety Workshop. Share your success stories. Share what you've learned around electrical safety that others can benefit from. This is the opportunity to do that. They have a companion program. We have a technical tour. You can become a supporter by contributing, helping to support the event. These are some of the supporters that are out there right now. We can add your company name to this website. It's a great advertisement of your commitment to electrical safety to support a premier event like this. We have our program and our schedule out there. We start on Sunday, and what you'll find is on Sunday are typically some committee meetings. Some of those meetings are by invitation only. On Monday, we have some standards working groups sessions. So if you're interested in IEEE 1584, you want to attend this event, sit in the room as the committee debates. And if you participate in a certain number of these events, you can become a part of that working group for that standard. We have the Electrical Safety Committee meeting, and we have subcommittee meetings, and more information on that is available. So Monday is a really good day to be there. Typically what we'll do is we'll come in on Sunday, and if you're not a part of the meetings on Sunday, come in Sunday evening, maybe schedule a dinner with somebody who is also coming. Monday, you're going to want to figure out what standard working group meetings you're going to want to be a part of. Get in that room, get there early and get a seat. And, for your first meeting, you might say, I'm going to listen and I'm going to learn. I'm going to figure out the program here to see how you can contribute. Or you may hit the street running and want to get up to that microphone and say, listen, I want to share. I've been reading this document. I've been applying this document, and we need to make some changes and get engaged and get involved. Have your voice heard at these committees. Wednesday, we begin with an electrical safety workshop breakfast. We have general sessions from 8 to 12. We have an electrical safety workshop lunch from 12 to 1. General session again from 1 to 3. When I say general session, these are presentations. So these are going to be the presentations that are being delivered by authors of IEEE Electrical Safety Workshop papers. All of the presentations and the papers will be available to those who register as a download. You can download those. What our hopes are is to make that available before the meeting, so you can download those papers and presentations. You can review those at home first, review those on the plane, and when you get there, you have the questions in your mind that if the presenters don't answer those questions, you can get up to the microphone and ask your questions of the presenters and authors. Then from 3 to 6 on Wednesday, we have an expo. And you say 3 to 6, it's 3 hours. I'm telling you, that is like a packed 3 hours. We typically have hors d'oeuvres there that you can eat. You can mingle and go to each of the booths from different manufacturers and ask questions around. And typically, since it's the electrical safety workshop, the products that we are displaying will be presented. Thanks for joining, William, Mr. Snyder, Willie. The vendors that are there are going to be talking about electrical safety and showing you what they have to provide our electrical industry to help do things: reduce severity and likelihood. You think about risk, it is severity and likelihood. So what the products that you're going to see in these booths are probably going to be reducing severity and reducing the likelihood of an event. So that product expo, absolutely an awesome opportunity. And then there are hospitality suites. You can't go to an IEEE event without a hospitality suite. We publish where those are going to be, what rooms are going to be in, and who is providing them. And then you go to that room, and there probably will be product in those hospitality suites as well. There's going to be food, and beverage and good conversation around electrical safety. We pack the day. Think about this, starting at 7 a.m. with a breakfast where you can sit with other like-minded individuals around electrical safety and talk about safe work practices, designing for safety, safety by design, etc., from 7 a.m. to well after 6 p.m. the entire day. Jacksonville, Florida. You're going to want to be there for this event. Thursday, bright and early again, 7 a.m. all the way to 6:30 is hospitality suite. So we got your entire day. You have an awesome opportunity. We have focus sessions, general sessions, closing receptions on Thursday. And then finally on Friday, I believe that is when we have tutorials. So you'll have, and we publish, we'll tell you what the tutorials are if you go out and visit this website. So I wanted to make you aware as an update, as the current chair of the Electrical Safety Workshop, I want you to understand registration is open. Opportunities to sponsor, opportunities to get a booth at the Electrical Safety Workshop is at your fingertip. So remember, the ESW, the Electrical Safety Workshop, is a great opportunity to talk safety by design, power systems engineering, electrical safe work practices, and everything electrical safety with some of the leaders in the industry. Large corporations, small corporations, large manufacturers, heavy industrials, light industrials, commercial applications. This is the event that you need to be at. We have a lot of options on the table for you to engage. Go out to the electricalsafetyworkshop.com, check it out, get registered, become informed, and build your career in the electrical industry. You don't need to be an electrical engineer to attend this event. That's all I have to say about that. So hopefully this was informative for you. I know it was very quick, 15 minutes update. I want to leave you with that website and your action item. Just go take a look at what we have to offer. And hopefully I will see you in person at the Electrical Safety Workshop in Jacksonville, Florida on March 7th through 11th this year. Thank you. Thank you for what you do for the electrical industry. Thank you for what you do for electrical safety. And remember to stay safe. Please stay healthy.